Yamwachi biem samo akwa Badwam TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegu yadase ni nkranhyensem kase no to haso ne betodwa omu bi eni enkwada ebambo ene wonhwemu no enye se opa na aye eye wonhye yamamra no ewo musa eno ne nsem bia no pay wobete sadum kase ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV ya 119 DSTV ya 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV Tube de kwa adomonline.com semine sema fufuro bi ewo ho mede afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de wientie said ensem no etie Director General of National Development Planning Commission ye Dr. Audrey Smokamwa na wodin samu to just emma enkwada asudie se ye hwe wo mu ye wo ye obatan wo ye hwan no enye se wo ye bi keke na emu meye onhye hwe amamra no emu ada ho pefe ne ye wo se ye ede bonkra eho ban
affirm that investing in children and adolescents is not only investments in social welfare, it is an investment in Ghana's future productivity, equity, and stability. By acting decisively and collectively, we can ensure that no child is left behind and that every young Ghanaian has the opportunity to thrive. The policy framework acted as a guide for the preparation and implementation of plans that would run from 2026 through to 2029.
I want a United Nations resident coordinator wo mai mo enso eni echiri yin hu ase be ma yeni eku emofra emma ehona fi investment awodo yede ebekọ sabe ho se ne be ya wono nso ebetimi abenyini ayempanyimpa ewo man yi emu.
We've also been reminded that investing in today's children, especially adolescent girls, is the most strategic choice Ghana can make for its long-term prosperity. When a girl is healthy, educated and protected, she acts as an accelerator for her entire community. And again, let me take a break from my notes to say, when I first met Her Excellency, the VP, she really insisted that I think very deeply and focus and encourage others to think about young adolescent girls and children generally, but adolescent girls. So I understood, Excellency, it's a real focus of yours and a passion. So that's what we're talking about.
Director General de Ghana Health Service here Dr. Samuel Kaba na wode to Ghana fo nyina ni mu ese Mahama Cares ni nyina ye nyentum ni entume mu a na apomuden pa enkoso ni kwanse ye na manyosem ade ya apomuden de ni kwanse ye da na manyosem na ye pia edu botaye no ho.
If any child dies in the forgotten corners of our country, that makes all of us very poor, because that child could be the next president, the next Kofi Annan, the next scientist to provide solution to our malaria, or simply the next farmer to put food on our table, or the next carpenter to roof our houses. If a pregnant woman dies during labor, that makes all of us very poor, even if that woman is not our sister or our mother. And if any retiree cannot afford his or her prescriptions, that is a shame to all of us. Because after many years of sacrifice and work, our retirees should not be ignored healthcare, and especially when they need it most. And that is why I stand here today to challenge each one of you, irrespective of your political affiliation, or where you come from, or your religious belief, to embrace the free primary healthcare, to embrace the Mahama Cares and then the 24-hour economy. Embrace it as if our lives depends on it, on them, and yes, because it does depend on them.
Dwamtnani Dema Advisory Board of the African Trade Chamber yes Sam Jonah what they told a bibi man ni mu se infini nyuma hodo ya ye won yensomu kena yensomu ye yenye ni yie na mwa yempa mwa da chimpo efri se beto brebi no yentimi nko bi man so nko je won mu de nti ye de na ye wono ene ye hwe emo ho ebai.
Tariffs from superpowers trap us in low value chains. Conflicts disrupt our supplies, and coercion from afar dictates our terms. But herein lies the opportunity. Can challenges set with middle powers must unite, build coalitions, and assert control. Ladies and gentlemen, Africa, with its 1.4 billion people, with its vast resources and youthful dynamism is no weakling. We are the emerging force that can redefine the table, or we will risk being served upon it.
Wasan de atudwa se aban momoden se obemomoden na wabiebie mfidi nwuma ya ebehwe efumagudi etuo so afei de ebeda ne da ne mfudi ahodo ani ene nyoma ahodo a ebeboa ama omen ya nkasa yetumedi ye ho so.
No more deference to distant agendas. No more exporting raw material potential while importing finished dependency. Selfish means prioritizing Africa first, beneficiating our minerals on African soil, processing our agriculture into global brands, manufacturing pharmaceuticals that secure our health sovereignty. Selfish means demanding fair terms in every deal, rejecting exploitation.
Enkwanta South Mrashebe Jani Geoffrey Kenny ena wode kokoboma wofo no ndi titu wona wo mafikope eye fishing community bi e wo ho. Enkwano dodo no anko school na no wo bo no kokko sasa suban won munyai no nyankra no nko school wonyini no pese obeya afarefo no a no so de no ho beba kase no etoso.
Dada ide school ade hia wanko school a ase woni wiase. Da ende ye papa no akonsua ye nana no akonsua abre bebre antimi anya akwenya ombeko school da ye echire mba ide ye echire nam a ye konsua ye nkwala nso beko school aka ho omuko school so no nkyere se ye nkyere omu enam yi o e be kyere omu but school no so hu hia wo se ye nkwala eko
eno achi na ban na musini ya wo ho Joseph Entwi Awal edi tudwa se
me se ye nyina ye nim se school de ya de ho hia enti me no kasai so that ya cat no afutu amede ma community no say contractor no animanim ya oba site ya man 6 months on fan wi dwuma de ne be sro mo odi materials beba odi cement beba odi iron rods beba o so community na kabom no mo hwe so no obi ankwanko wi na anko delay adwuma no community
Parent Teachers Association ya wo mo work from Senior High Technical School na ne won de so abofomo wo besi 3000 capacity dining hall na fe won mo de enkonwa 59 ama chechefo ama ne ya make say PTA won mo si apa hontoma kase no edeba
from Senior High Technical School jumedia ye pese ye di edeboa school no ye adwuma miensa ye de bo baako ekum no ma miensa de enti edi kunu ma miensa ne se ye di kan adan konya di akire o mo na ye science school entrance edema school no ena ye san be see dining hall for capacity 3000 ena ye de asona bofoma ye be dan edi akire mansan.
Eno achi na Gabriel Seusu ya o yesuku pani no makro from Senior High Technical School enso edi tudwa se
enije dakese ma ye nyina me ankasa school management akyerɛkyerɛfo ne school fo ne nyina isan se na ye wa ahohiahia akese mu a yesufra o mo no o mati yesufra enoma be ye ade
Fakwa monyo semu na Ayawaso East abato mpesua no so abedampan esan Mrashebe Jani nei wato na nanamu nsie donti baba jama ene oba kunani ni nipa miensa no vete no wo nyina afem kase no etwaso
ene na NDC amanyoko no eye vete edema aspirant enum a wo mo hwe enim se wo mo etimi born ho modena abato ebekoso eye primary no na safoi omanfo ato no so aba na womo yi candidate a wone MPP amanyuko no ebekohia na womo akomra hyebedwam vetting process e course no ewie asumdwem na Adom news centrofo ne aspirant awodo ne bi etwetwe nkom.
I believe in Allah. I am winning since day one. I believe that it is Allah who said I should go and continue.
Meaning ne odi kan am ko mu ma comment sama osum bisami no ma bisami. Ya claim say metimi a contest ya mama me documents ya mama me register bibia koso se ne peno mako vetim bebre minkai mako vetim at the highest level parliament mako minister mako bebre nti it's the same thing.
To be honest with you, me sure say it matters. Say me 1 and 5 and 6 it still doesn't matter. You see anymore, I am a known face in the constituency. Delegates no Omohumia, Omonum said Dr. Zindoni, and Obetumam, and your first time me contesting it.
Regional Secretary Emma NDC Amanyoko no Theophilus Teteche. Regional Secretary Ma NDC Amanyoko no Theophilus Teteche. Any Adom News in Central for Edge Common Watcher. Enipa numa womo ya aspirant womo efa vet nimuno.
Yenyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye DSC